get the honor?
I don't know. Is he gonna get the honor? I don't know. He got a lot of stuff. Oh, I'm dumb. Yeah, I'm dumb today, Diego. Yes, he's gonna get the honor. Yes, he's gonna get the honor.
You're gonna get it.
Yes, we're very happy. Come on. Knock,
the
knock,
honor.
knock. I'm glad. I'm stuffed. Diego, could you please dump me?
Please dump me.
Please, come on.
Please dump
I'm
me.
just too stuffed.
Please dump me.
Please dump
me.
Now, knock,
dump me,
knock,
Diego.
knock. Yeah, I am relieved. Yep, you're relieved. Finally, Sam.
Arnold, your weight will be over soon.
Now, your weight is going to be over soon. Is that correct, Robbie?
Diego came and got to get the some of the Arnold, did he?
Yeah, and I think he's compacted to make more room for that.
Arnold.
For that, Arnold. Yes.
Arnold.
I am so happy. I'm finna get my knock on real soon.
Where's that?
Knock.
Do you hear Diego over there?
Yeah.
You hear Diego over there?
Yeah, Diego's compacting.
You hear him?
Yeah, he's compacting to make more room. I hear him. Oh, pew!
I hear him.
Pew, Robbie, it smells.
Do you hear Diego?
Woo!
Do you hear him?
Yeah, I hear him. I am so happy that he's gonna get the Arnold because he needs to dump bad, really.
Sam was first.
Yeah, but good Lord, Robbie, he smells that Diego.
Sam was first.
Sam was first, but man, oh my God, Diego smells bad.
He's only gonna go in.
Hopefully, but they're compacting. Uh-oh, there we go. Knock. Splash.
Diego.
Yes, he got the Arnold. You got me. Yeah. He's got me. Knock. Boom. There you go, Diego. Way to go. But you got some stuff on your head, Diego. But I hope you, oh my gosh. Diego, you gotta go because you stink.
Get the stuff off your head.
Yes, you got some stuff on your head.
The devil get it.
Yeah.
So get that off Diego's head. Mm-hmm. Get off Diego's head, will ya?
Yep, it's right in between. He's gonna go get it. Yeah, it's gonna clean off Diego's head. There he goes. Yeah, how you doing? Yeah, there you go.
You're not supposed to be there.
Yeah.
Put it by the honor, will
ya? Yeah, put it right there. We'll get it later, probably, hopefully.
Sam got done by the Diego!
Yeah, Sam got done by the Diego, and Arnold got done by the Diego.
He did?
Yes. All right, see you later, Diego. Way to go, Diego. Thanks for the hard work, Diego. But Diego, you gotta go because you stink.
You stink.
Woo! Woo! Oh no, Diego, don't do it! You snorting, stinking truck! Oh, yuck! But he relieved these sharks over here. Hey! What's going on with y'all sharks over here? We're relieved! Yeah, we're relieved!
Diego got you!
Diego got him, Robbie?
Diego got him!
I'll tell you, we've been waiting for that, Diego. Weren't we, Robbie?
Diego got him!
Yeah, we was waiting too, but we were stuffed. We couldn't hardly talk or nothing.
Diego
we just couldn't talk. We couldn't burp. We couldn't do anything. But Diego finally got here, and now we're relieved. We're just so happy to hear that because we were wondering ourselves if anybody was going to come. Right, Robbie?
I'm sorry, that's the 168 Anna couldn't make it.
Yeah.
And 166 Dora couldn't make it.
Yeah.
Elsa couldn't make it. 165 Dora couldn't make it. But was it 677 Diego made it?
Yeah, but only the Diego made it. All right. So are y'all sharks relieved? Yeah, we're relieved. All right, no dancing this time. We'll probably dance the other time. Okay, we'll get our boogie on probably Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday we'll boogie.
They're doing kaboom.
Yeah, boom. All right, but okay, it's time for y'all to rest, y'all crazy sharks. Now, come on, learn how to snore a little softly. You think, Robbie, they should snore a little softer, not so loud?
That's what I want. Boom.
Yeah, okay, we try to snore a little softer this time.
boom,
Yeah,
didn't
we'll
they?
try our best.
They went
Okay.
boom.
Well, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see you at 2:30, right, Robbie?
Crash.
Yeah, we'll see you at 2:30, right?
Smash right into Diego, didn't they?
Yeah.
Smash right in him.
Okay. Well, let's go.
They crashed. They crashed.
Knock, 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 knock. Uh-oh. Knock, 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 knock. Now that sounds better. Knock, 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 knock. Yeah, that sounds more better, Robbie. Knock, 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 knock.
You got done by the Diego.
Burp! Burp! Oh my goodness, that was a loud burp. They were snoring softly and they just burped loudly. I guess I didn't tell them to burp softly or something. Goodness gracious. Do a soft burp. Burp! Burp! Oh my goodness. I should have told them to do a soft burp, shouldn't I, Robbie? A soft one. Well, probably next time, but way to go, Diego. Got the job done there, Robbie.
He got the salmon in Arnold, did he?
He was Diegoing pretty nicely, you think so?
He got salmon Arnold.
Yeah.
He went for the salmon first.
Yeah, he got the salmon first.
And then he got the Arnold. And then he got
last.
the Arnold last.
Yeah, way to go, Diego. And now it's time for us to go.
He shut them.
Yeah, he shut them too. Now they're sound asleep, burping loud, but snoring softly. All right, later.